One of the biggest concerns writers have about AI is this: will my writing still sound like me? That concern is understandable. Many writers are afraid that using AI will make their work feel robotic, emotionless, or disconnected from their real personality. They worry that their stories, ideas, and messages will lose the human touch that makes writing meaningful. But the truth is this: your writing can still sound like you if you use AI the right way. The key is simple. Do not ask AI to replace your voice. Ask it to support your voice. AI works best when it helps writers improve clarity, organization, and flow without taking away the personality behind the message. The writer should remain the source of the ideas, emotions, experiences, and meaning. AI should only assist with shaping and refining those ideas. Many writers make the mistake of giving AI complete control. They ask it to write everything from the beginning without providing direction or context. When that happens, the writing may sound polished, but it often feels generic. It loses the unique tone, emotion, and perspective that make writing personal and memorable. Your voice is one of the most valuable parts of your writing. It reflects your experiences, your personality, your beliefs, and the way you naturally communicate. No AI system can fully replace that. That is why it is important to guide AI carefully. Instead of saying, "Write this for me," try saying, "Help me make this clearer, but keep my natural tone. Do not make this sound robotic or overly formal. Keep my message, meaning, and personal style intact. Help improve the flow while keeping my original voice." These types of prompts remind AI that your voice should remain the foundation of the writing. AI responds based on the direction it receives. The clearer your instructions are, the more likely the response will feel natural and aligned with your personality. But the process does not end after AI gives a response. One of the most important habits writers can develop is reviewing and refining the output carefully. Never assume the first version is perfect. Read through the writing slowly and ask yourself important questions. Would I really say this? Does this sound natural to me? Did AI remove the emotion or meaning behind my message? Does this still reflect my personality and intention? Is the message still clear? These questions help you stay connected to your own voice during the editing process. Sometimes I may use phrases that sound too formal, too dramatic, or too generic. Sometimes it may simplify something so much that the emotional impact disappears. Other times it may change the meaning of what you were trying to say. That is why the writer must remain actively involved in the process. The goal is not to sound like a I. The goal is to communicate your message more clearly while still sounding human and authentic. Think of AI as an assistant, not the author. An assistant can help organize ideas, improve readability, suggest alternatives, and save time. But the writer still makes the final decisions. The writer chooses what stays, what changes, and what truly represents their voice. The Domino Effect Writing System encourages writers to move step by step and stay intentional while using AI before accepting any AI-generated text. Pause and ask whether it still feels aligned with your message and your identity as a writer. Technology may continue to evolve, but human connection will always matter in writing. Readers remember writing that feels honest, emotional, and real. They connect with personality, vulnerability, and meaning. Those qualities come from the writer, not the tool. Your voice is what makes your writing human. Use AI for support, but let your message stay in control. Subscribe for writing tips that help you use AI with confidence and clarity.